Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to be cooking some okra. I'm going to wash my hands. So, for my ingredients, I have some salt, some Maggi salmon, some Maggi chicken, some garlic and ginger. This is homemade with some ghost pepper. My mom made it a little bit special. This is some dry fish. You can get it at an African store. This was from Walmart, but I don't know what is the name. It is baked. Some baked tilapia. Baked African fish. Chicken, sorry. Some onions and some okra. This is optional. You do not have to add baking soda because some people are allergic to it. And this is some red palm oil.
I'm gonna hold it for you.
Go. Sorry about the mess up. My camera turned on. So this is the first one you're gonna do. I'm going to add the okra with my spoon. Now I'm going to.
It's not been recorded.
So now I'm going to mix it. Knock knock.
Who is it?
YouTube.
YouTube who?
Go subscribe to my channel and hit that like button.
Yeah. Thumbs up, guys. Taste now.
So guys, it came to a boil. This is how it looks like. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of some baking soda. And you gotta mix it up really fast or it's gonna go boom and explode. So it should be slimy. Go. So guys, this is how it looks like when you add the baking soda up. See how it is exploding?
Go.
So I'm going to grab the ginger and the garlic in the pot with my fork. Now I'm going to mix it. slowly so you don't get hurt. And now we're going to add our onions. Now I'm going to go back to mixing slowly. Guys, I am using the Maggi salmon and Maggi chicken. I'm going to cut it. I already cut one off camera, and my mom's going to smash it in. Now I'm going to smush up the Maggi chicken.
Go.
So now we're going to be using the palm oil. I'm going to be using a spoon of this. And we don't like too much oil on ours, so my mom's gonna add it in. And I'm going to add a little bit more in. Just a little bit. So now I'm going to taste it if it has enough salt.
Sorry. Sorry.
So it is good. Thumbs up.
Let me get this one.
So I'm going to add a little bit of the ghost pepper. Well, if you decide to get the ghost pepper, do not get too much or you're going to be blowing up hot. So I'm going to add a little bit, like this much. Now I'm going to mix very slowly. And now I'm going to put the dry fish. And now I'm going to mix it. And then I'm going to add the chicken and the tilapia. So I'm going to be adding one by one. Now I'm going to mix very slowly and carefully. So guys, this is how it looks like.
Go.
So I put it in the bowl. And now I'm gonna taste it because my fans. It tastes really good. And the ghost pepper, it makes it more awesome. And so, knock knock.
What is it?
Fishy fish.
Fishy fish where?
Yummy, fishy fish, yummy, yummy in my tummy.
Ooh, yeah.
Now, do subscribe and hit the notification because it might be the next video I do is relatable to this. And I'm going to be eating this with fufu. The next video might be like this, like the fufu. And so, thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bar. Defaults for life. Oh, that was so cringy.